NBC29 forecast.
All right, show of hands, who's craving peaches right now? There's a look outside from the Carter Mountain View as we look toward the Blue Ridge and see just a few fair weather clouds out there. We began this morning with some fog and low clouds. Here's the view from Madison County, is captured by Rusty Love, and you can see some of the ground fog there. It took a while for it to dissipate, but sun angles high this year, and we certainly had a nice afternoon. Made it up to 85 at the airport. 85 is the current reading at the airport. Made it up to 87 this afternoon. It's not overly hot. It's not overly humid. And again, a pretty nice day. 83, the current reading at the Valley Airport in Weir's Cave. Made up to 84 this afternoon. Some other numbers, we've got 83 in Orange, 81 in Palmyra. We've got 81 in Waynesboro, 83 in Stanton, and 83 currently in Culpeper. Temperatures here tonight generally slipping back into the mid and low 60s under mostly clear skies. There'll be some patchy fog early tomorrow morning. For our Saturday, we'll warm those numbers up a bit more. Upper 80s to around 90 east of the Blue Ridge, at least some middle 80s in the Shenandoah Valley, and a largely dry day here for Saturday. A seasonable day for the most part, and again, the humidity will creep up a bit more. But Sunday will be the hottest day of the weekend as we top out either side of 90 degrees, and that'll be ahead of the next cold front that really doesn't impact us until Monday. However, as we build up that heat and higher humidity later in the day on Sunday and Sunday evening, there could be a few storms around, especially along and west of the Blue Ridge, but a better chance of rain as we move into Monday. High pressure is building in from the west, and that'll largely influence our weather tonight and tomorrow, much of Sunday. It'll slip offshore as we go into the latter half of the weekend. It'll make way for the next front that's well up across portions of the northern plain states, generating some severe weather across portions of the Dakotas and those areas. But again, our warmer air is certainly not too far away. Hotter numbers, I should say. Many locations down across the lower Ohio Valley, Tennessee River Valley, southeast, well in the 90s, and that'll be the air mass that'll be working closer to us here this weekend. As far as the tropics, we look well out into the eastern tropical Atlantic, and this is a tropical wave. It's kind of disorganized at this time, but the National Hurricane Center is giving this a 60% chance of development as we go into next week. So that could be the next depression or named storm as it heads toward the island. Something to watch. Next named storm would be Bonnie. Here we go with the futurecast. In the morning, we start with some fog. Temperatures in the 60s. We'll warm numbers between 85 and 90 by the afternoon. As we move into Sunday, we'll start the morning, many of us in the upper 60s, and then we'll heat up basically either side of 90 degrees. You'll notice that there's more storms moving in from the west here later Sunday afternoon. We'll see how this holds together as it pushes farther east, but I do think there will be some storms around on Sunday, and then we'll have a better chance as we move into Monday of next week. Temperatures tonight in the mid and low 60s under mostly clear skies and patchy fog. There's a look at the Michael and Son 7-day forecast. Again, a weekend is a little hot, a little more humid, but not too bad for the first weekend of summer, what you'd expect. We'll cool those numbers down on Monday with those showers and storms. Certainly Tuesday, we can hold those numbers in the upper 70s. Not too bad for the weekend.
All right, Eric, thank you.
Thank you so much. We will be right back.